everyone. Today I'm going to tell you about this 4-in-1 multifunctional toddler potty by 7-Eleven Tech. It's very compact for storage. It fits into any cute little backpack or tote bag. Its convenient portable design also allows you to bring it to public restrooms. It comes with this little step stool surface here, and they supply these little plastic disposable bags. The little toilet bowl here just collapses and opens up as needed, and it just pops open very easily. You just remove the seat ring. This is also a stool, a step stool with anti-slip feet here. These are the anti-slip grippy silicone to keep your legs from slipping. And these legs just snap open like this and pop into place very easily to create the legs for your toddler seat to be sitting on for a little folding toilet seat. This cute little guy is actually a travel potty. You can bring him in the car with you for outings and errands or on long road trips. Just open up your bowl whenever you need to and pop in one of these little bags here. You'll just put the plastic bag inside this bowl here. So I'll show you. You just open up the plastic bags they provided and wrap it around the outside of the entire seat, not the bowl itself. Snap on the lid here, the seat topper, and your child can go potty right here in the safety of your own car. You can keep the air conditioning running or the heater running, and you're in a safe, comfortable environment that your child feels comfortable using their potty. When they're done, you just remove the seat topper here. These plastic bags have little drawstrings on the side for you to just pull them tight when you remove it, and you can dispose of the waste. Very easy, very compact, and mess-free. Very simple to remove. And then you can just collapse the bowl back in. If you need to wipe it out, you can just use an antibacterial wipe or a disinfectant wipe, but you can just clean the surface. To put these legs back, they simply snap up and pop into place easily to put them back flat again for storage. And you just put everything back together. It snaps together quickly and easily. It's very portable, very lightweight. It has the anti-slip leg design and the splash guard here on the front so that you won't have any messes and sprays, especially with those boys. It all puts back together quickly and compactly and easy for storage in the back of the car or in the trunk. This compact, lightweight design allows you to move it from room to room with you in your house. No assembly required, no tools necessary. This is all very easy to put together and snap into place. This cute little turtle has 4 secure, sturdy legs that snap open so that you can use it as a step stool, so that your toddler can reach the toilet to go potty standing up, as well as to use it for brushing their teeth and reaching the sink to wash their hands. This toilet training seat topper fits most toilet shapes, and it has a secure anti-slip grippy material here on the bottom, so it will stay in place and not slide around on the top of the toilet seat. I like this product very much, and I hope you do too. Good luck with your potty training.